Hello and welcome to this very special and a very interesting podcast with somebody who's extremely renowned, and we are so glad to have her here, Chef Som, as she's lovingly and fondly known all over the world. Uh, of course, her full name is Chef Jutamas Som Theantae. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, but I'm almost there.
Hello.
So, Chef, a very warm welcome here, and we know that you are here on a culinary project as a culinary ambassador with the Thai consulate, and of course at the IIHM.
Yes.
And you worked extensively with the IIHM chefs, who in turn have worked with the students and cooking up a storm, as it were, and doing some amazing Thai meals. Now, the linkages between Thailand and India, culinary wise and otherwise, has been extremely strong. And this is one cuisine that most people in India, and especially in this part of the world, with this part of India, almost consider it as their home cuisine, in the sense that a lot of people like Thai food, love Thai food. There's so many Thai restaurants. Thai curries are something that one would naturally go to. It's comfort food. But we'd just like to learn a little bit more about your whole experience here at IIHM and the kind of cuisine that you've been experimenting with or teaching students and chefs, and how is the whole experience been?
Hello, everyone. My name is Chef Som from Thailand. So, the whole experience that has been really great. Like part of cooking experience, the most important thing is to exchange. So, to give your knowledge to someone younger, it means that you get something from them as well. So for me, it's really important to share what I have to the younger chefs, or even like same generation. It's like my philosophy of cooking is like, coming here, I bring authentic Thai food recipe to the students here and to the teachers. But I make sure that they understand that it's just the basic. So I communicate to them like, this is like primary colors. So once you know this, once you have the solid taste of what is Thai food, now they can do anything. Because cooking shouldn't be stick to, just authentic.
Sure.
Because it's like 2025, Thai food, and now you go to do your own thing. I think this is very important.
But if you don't stick to the grammar and you are not strict about Thai food, and you allow other experimentation to come in,
Yes.
does it spoil, for the lack of a better word, the authenticity of Thai food?
No, you already know it, but you are trying to do something different. So it's like in New York now, no one is like talking with correct grammar, but people understand each other, and that's how the world should be, right? Imagine if you don't have to have visa. Like, suppose you want to go to the States, and you know what I mean? It's like nothing is right, nothing is wrong, and we shouldn't be stuck with something that happened like 2,000 years ago.
Sure. Could you tell us a little bit more, Chef, about your experience in IIHM, your interaction with the chefs, and then your interaction with the students as well, and of course, based on your teachings, based on your knowledge that you've shared with chefs and students, they themselves tried out some of the food. So just tell us a little bit about the IIHM experience that you've had.
Everything is like, everyone is fast learners. I mean, really. So my job was like, the first day I supposed to be, I demonstrate. And then the second day also demonstrate with a bigger group. But you know what? I did it. The first day, the second day, the teachers already did the job. I didn't have to do anything.
Right.
And then the moment I'm sitting here with you, I'm supposed to be on the fifth floor, but I don't have to because they know everything. So you should be proud. Yes.
Certainly. Also, moving forward, what do you expect the students who've gained this knowledge? Because what happens is IIHM gives them the opportunity and platform to meet great chefs like you, stalwarts like you. What is your advice to them? How should they process this learning and how should they benefit from this learning to be better culinary professionals?
We have to pay attention to what we are doing. It's very important. You know, principle of cooking is like this. You have to be have a high discipline and then high skill,
Right.
and then also creativity. So these three things are really important.
And they should continue that training.
Yes, you cannot give up anything every day. You know, these three things are very, very important. So a skill and discipline and creativity. And the creativity part linked to what I said before. I mean, you must know the core of each cuisine, but in the same time, you don't get stuck because you are at in the year 2025. Why get stuck with something that you've done already to 2025? You know what I mean? Yes, this is very important. So you can be oneself. You can be yourself and you can be like a great chef one day.
Chef, you've very interestingly spent years in some of your very productive years in Shantiniketan, in Vishwabharati, learning lithography, interestingly. I see that as a very interesting, very deep, very philosophical experience as well, because of the nature of the place.
Yes.
And your cooking philosophy is all about simplicity and introspection.
Exception.
Yes.
It's about exception.
Also, correct.
Yes.
So what I'm trying to understand that did Shantiniketan and Vishwabharati play a part in your philosophy of life and cooking?
The major part. The major part. Yes. Like Shantiniketan is where I grew up mentally. And I learned how to accept people from different countries, from different cultures. And that's why my cooking is like this nowadays.
So if you could just elaborate a little bit on how is your cooking linked to what your experience in Shantiniketan was?
I study fine art, I study lithograph, and of course I know how to, you know, like the layers in your mouth is the same kind of layers on the canvas. So when you look at the canvas, you see like, oh, I want to put a little bit more depth there. So I put like darker red. You know, sometimes when you paint, it's like flat. So you just add more layers and layers. Cooking is the same. So this is why my cooking is like, people say it has a lot of depth in the palette because of this, Shantiniketan and painting and lithograph, yes.
This is completely amazing. We've run out of time, but all we can say is that her life, Chef Som's life, and her art and her skills are all a fantastic amalgamation of inclusivity, of bringing people together, of introspection, and then she makes a wonderful connect between lithography and cooking. It's all about layers. It's all about depth, and ultimately, it's all about relationships.
Exception.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And so the even the Indo-Thailand relationship, and especially culinary relationship, is a bit like that, full of depth, full of love, full of passion.
Yes.
And I think Chef Som comes here as much as a culinary guru, highly respected in Thailand, as much as an ambassador between these two great countries that have so much in common and unite and respect each other's culinary traditions as well. Thank you so much, Chef Som.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you.
It's been great. Thank you.
Thank you very much.